Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Constitution Drive towards Cooper's Close in the hills of Boscobel, St. Mary Parish. Turning onto Cooper's Close. Cooper's Close ends and we are turning back to Constitution Drive. We are back at Constitution Drive. Turning onto Constitution Drive. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.